What is up, YouTube? Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. Kind of unconventional. We're doing an unbox medical stuff. We're going to take this, which is a gastrostomy tube, expired of course, and we're going to see what's inside. So let's do it. Alright, so I got this little 18 gauge needle here. So hopefully we can open this bad boy. See if we can get this. Cool. That worked. Who would have thought? I don't know where the cap is, but oh well. Alright, so let's open this up. What do we have in here? This is the McKee gastrostomy tube. Instruction booklet. Don't really care about that. I guess some people do. I don't. Alright, now let's get to the bad boy here. So this is the actual G-tube itself. This is what it comes in. You can probably see that. So let's open this guy up. Alright, so we have some draws here. We don't really care about this stuff. And here is the good stuff right here. So we have a big syringe for feeding. It goes right there. Little syringe for the balloon. I'll show you that in a second. You have a lot of adapters here. So this is all for feeding purposes. You can kind of connect it like this. Let me get this stuff out of the way. You can kind of connect it like this. More stuff, more adapters. And here is the piece we've been waiting for. This is a small little G-tube. This is a little baby G-tube. Basically, you have one port, okay? This actually sticks in the stomach. This whole part from here to here will be within the abdomen and in the stomach. This part will be on the outside. This is a low profile G-tube. My fingers are the abdominal wall. It'll rest on the abdominal wall like this, so you will only see just this on the outside. This remaining portion will be on the inside. What's up, man?
Hey, Michael.
Hey.
I was just gonna run it.
All right, so we have our little teeny tiny baby G-tube again. I actually thought this was like, you know, an adult size G-tube, but I guess not. All right, so what we do here is we have a balloon port and a feeding port. There's a little keyhole to it. You literally just put this little feeding port into it and you kind of lock it in place. That way it can't pull out. And then this is what you kind of feed in. You can either inject tube feed. Some people just take the cap off and let it run down. So that's that port. The other port is the balloon port, like I said. So we'll put a few cc's of air in here. You'll see this blow up here, if I can do it correctly. Wow, look at that. So then you see how, once I take that off, so this portion, this is the portion that sits within your stomach, just the balloon part. My fingers are the abdominal wall, and this sits within. You can inject feeds through there, and this stays in place, so you can't pull it. It's kind of like a little anchor in the stomach. So if you try to pull it out, it won't come out. We actually will put about a cc of contrast mixed with saline, so that we can see it under our X-ray. And yeah, that's it. That's about it. We exchange these pretty regularly, every about 3 to 6 months. And I actually really like these. They're super low profile. I mean, this is all that hangs out of the skin versus a long tube like most of our G-tubes are. I'm thinking about doing another video of how much air this bubble can take. But comment below if you want me to do that video, and I will just sit here and pump this up till it explodes. And leave any questions you have below. I will try to get to them. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Please smash that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.